Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Ifeanyi and I make easy to follow sewing and no sewing DIYs here on YouTube. Please check out previous videos of mine for more and amazing easy to follow sewing and no sewing DIYs for you to enjoy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make babies or toddlers harem pants. The items you need for this project will be shown on the screen. Also, you can check further details of this project in the comment section below or in the description bar. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. If you're a new viewer, please consider subscribing to my channel and click on the notification bell so as to be notified when I post a new video. And to my old subscribers, I thank you and I appreciate you all. Enjoy the video. Thank you. Firstly, you start by laying your fabric flat on the table and then fold it into 2 and then into 4, and then you place your old trouser on it and trace and cut just like I'm showing you on the screen. Remember to give allowances for sewing and room so that just in case you're using a non-stretch fabric. Now after you've cut out the pants, it's time for you to pin and sew round all the places I'm showing you on the screen. So sew the crotch area and the sides only. Now turn your fabric inside out and prepare to attach the waistband and the ankle cuffs. So for the waistband and the ankle cuffs, you will need a stretchy ribbed fabric for this because this is going to be worn by a baby or a toddler, so you need something that wouldn't be too tight and too loose on them. And you know, this also helps if they're also in nappies. This will be able to hold them quite snugly on their tummy and as well as their ankles. To get the right measurement for the waistband and the ankle cuffs, try to measure the child in question who you're sewing this trouser for and get the actual size of their waist and their ankle. You would cut out 3 pieces of this fabric, 1 for the waistband and 2 for the ankles, just like I'm showing you. So the next step will be to attach the 3 pieces that you have just cut onto the pants. Try to pin them first and then get comfortable with how they look before you then sew. Please refer to the video and see how exactly I'm doing this to guide you for when you're doing yours. Remember to attach right side facing on both fabrics so that when it is sewn and flipped over, it will look perfect.
For my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Darkest memories now let me fall back. But you'll be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track. You can get away with it. I'm
glad to let you know that after this step you are finally done. So easy, right? And now you've made your own harem pants for your baby or your family member. I hope this video was helpful. Please, if it was, like, subscribe, share the video to other people who find this helpful, and click on the notification bell to get notified in the future whenever I post a video. Thank you for viewing and watching my videos. Until I see you in my next one. Goodbye.